This is Biotronix TECAR Therapy device, economical model. We have already shown you the videos of premium model. Now this is the economical model. So you can see the quality of the product also. Economical model is quite good in quality also. This is the metallic body, not the fiber one. And you can see this is the touch screen. And these are the applicator stand. And these are the applicator. You can see this is the applicator. So you can see, and this is the negative plate. You can see the quality of that plate too, the body ground plate, and this is the applicator, CT, RET, and this is the JMD applicator. You can see the quality of that one. So this device is having the JMD applicator. You can see. I will show you the demo of all these things, and this is a touchscreen model, and this is the conductive electrodes with different size. One is already here in the same, and other is these are the insulating one. So this is the CT and this is the RET. So like these are the two electrodes. These are the two probes. So I have already connected the same, but the size of both the attachments are different. So you can see, like if I remove this attachment like this, and this also, and if I try to put the same in the same, you can see the size is bigger and this will not go in the same. So the insulating one, the CT applicator, once you put the same, that will be easily movable and you can make the same. But if you put the same in here, it is not made for that applicator. So the head you will place, that depends on the applicator size. So this size is going in the same but not in the same. So by this way you will get to know which one is the CT and which one is the RET, which one for the insulating one and which one for the conductive non-insulating one. So you can see now I am placing the same again, back again. You can see by just easily like this. So the same is placed and in contact now. So now I am putting the same back to the stand, and I have already shown you the applicator. These had different head. This is the maximum in size for the larger area, for the area lesser than that, and for the medium also put the same over here, and this is just for the smaller area. So this is the conductive one, you can see. This is the insulating one, you can see. And insulating one can be used in those area where the water content is high, like in the skin and in the muscles. So these area can be used with the CET electrode. So this is the CET one, and you can use in the muscles and other tissues with the body fluids in it, like lymphatic system or skin area or muscles area. But this RET section, this is the conductive one, RET one. You can see this is the RET section, and the same you can use in the area where the water content is lower than the previous one. Not the zero water content, because water is there in the same, and but the content of the water is lesser, like the areas such as joints and tendons and bones. So in the bone area, joint area and tendons area, where the solid area you can say water content is less, you have to use this RET electrode. So now it is clear where to use the RET and CET. Now I will give you the demo of the device by operating the same. So I'm just switching it on like this. I just press the same, switched on. You can see Biotronix Solution Forever, or brand name. Biotronix here International, we are the importer of the same. And now you can see the logo at the interface. When you will touch the touchscreen, the logo will move on to the interface. So when I touch the same, you can see now I have gone to the main interface where 448 kilohertz is the frequency of TECAR therapy, economical model, and you can see RES, resistive, capacitive, GMT. So this is capacitive, the non-insulating, the insulating, you can see in the image also, and this is the conductive, silver one, you can like shining like a silver, metallic one. This is RET one, and this is the GMT one. So when I go to the CET1, you can see the you can see over here in the image also the black electrodes, like means you are using that one. So you have to take that one out because you have entered to the CET section. So CET section black, so now I will have to use black one. And this is the timer section, you can increase or decrease the timer accordingly by using the touch screen. And this is the intensity section where intensity is from 5 to 100 and in the multiple of 5. So now I will give the demo of the device also. Before that, I will again telling you that black electrode you can use in the muscles and skin or the tissues where the water content is high or the fluid content is high. And while the other one you have to use in the where the water content or fluid content is less, like bone, tendons, and other joints. So also now I will show you the demo and how I will show the demo. But before using the device, patient within the Lyme condition or any other condition, the same negative plate has to be in contact with body. This is the negative plate and this is the positive electrode. These are the positive electrodes. All are positive. So if I am using positive one, negative has to be in the contact of body, and contact will be not the loose contact. It will be totally hard contact. Because if you will maybe loose contact, you may feel the heat or you may feel the loose contact like a little bit microcurrent in the same. But always stay tight contact with the negative plate. So if the patient is lying, you can put the same in the hip area or in the back area or in the leg area, but in very much contact with the body. So now I will show you the demo. So I am a single person over here, so I can't lie. I am just showing the demo like this. I am putting my hand over here, the plate, with a hard force like this. I am totally in contact with the same. I am not loose contact with the same. I am putting the total force on the same, so the contact is quietly made. And now I will increase the intensity. I put the start button and I increase the intensity up to like 30. I have gone to the 30 and you can see I am rotating the electrode in my hand. You can use the cream as a conductive material, so it will increase the output of the product. And I am increasing it a little bit to 50. So at the 50 range around, I am getting the quite good enough heat. I am start feeling the heat, internal heat in my hand. As I keep on rotating, I am feeling the same internally. Literally I am feeling the same internally. If you want to check the same, you can check the product physically, and I am feeling the same internally, and that is a quite effective heating effect. So this is the economical model, and I am feeling it internally in my hand also. So now I will pause the same, and once the treatment will be over, it will become 0. But meanwhile I have paused the same, and now I will show you the other electrode, like RET electrode, and I go back main menu by clicking the same RT section. Now I will take that out. You can see for the bone and the tendon area and joint area, and again by same I can increase or decrease the timer and intensity from up to 100. So when I start the same, increase the intensity, so you can see rotating the same, and I am feeling the same also. So by this way you can use RET electrode. Again I will go to the main section. So you can see RAT explained, CET explained, where to use, how you can change the head and all according to the same, and internally how you can increase or decrease the intensity. Now the last is GMD. So GMD is the extra feature in the device also, while the other models is having CT and RET, and this is having the GMD option also. So in the GMD option, what will you get? You will get that electrode. You can see the probe for the myofascial. Like you can do the same like this. Here you will get the temperature, heat also, as well as you will get the microcurrent. So temperature again, timer you can set accordingly, and this is the temperature 00, 1 to 15. These are the limits of temperature. Like these are the various levels of temperature. So 15 is the maximum I have put. So if I want heating also, and if I want current also, I have put the temperature to 15, and M1, M2, M3. These are the three modes. You can see M1, M2, and M3. So these are the three modes. M1, M2, M3. So you can see M1. In the M1 mode, I will be getting the continuous current in the same, and in the M2 and M3, I am getting the burst one. Burst with some different duration in M2 and with different duration in M3, and M1 is continuous. So if I put the hand again like this, and if I increase the intensity and press the start button, so now I am getting the feeling of current. So I am increasing the same a little bit more. So now I am getting the current in my hand also, as well as I can do it a myofascial release too. And if I have set the temperature to 15, like maximum level, I am getting the heat also in my hand. So you can see M1, M2, M3. The modes in M1 mode, you will be getting the continuous current. Let me pause this one. In the M1 mode, you will get the continuous current. In the M2 and M3, burst with different surges. So, and temperature, if you want the lesser temperature, you can put the lesser value. If you want the highest, you can put the highest. And this is the intensity also. You can increase the intensity up to, you can see, 50, 60, up to 100. So I can feel the current at quite a good rate in 30 to 40. So because the area was a smaller area, in the larger area you can go up to a more. So you can see this. I have explained all the three modes of the same: the RET, the CAP, and the JMD. CAP has to be used in the areas where the body fluid is more, the water content is more, and the area like muscles and the area like skin and lymphatic system you can use in the CAP mode, and RES mode is in the parts where the water content is less or the fluid content is less, like bones, tendons, and joint. So, and GMD for the myofascial release with the microcurrent in the same also, and this current can be also different modes: M1, M2, and M3. Where M1 is the continuous one, and M2 and M3 are the you can see burst mode with different duration. So this is the demo of the device. I hope I have explained everything I can explain, and like no one has explained the same like this in such a way that every feature and everything is explained. If you still have any query or doubt related to the same, you can put your contact number. Our sales team will get back to you and share the details of the same, or you can mention the same in the comment section. We will reply to you, and You can purchase the same from our website also. You can contact us, you can leave your WhatsApp number or calling number. Our sales team will contact you, or you can visit our store, or you can also physically see the demo of the device if you are interested. The demo is available at our office also. And thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe our channel, because we are sharing such kind of informational physiotherapy and rehabilitation products video which explain everything of the device and the latest technology we are getting. We are also importing exoskeleton and shockwave therapy and class 4 lasers. So we will keep on updating those videos, complete video, information video, and just do subscribe our channel, and please share the video as more as you can, so that other can get the benefit also. Thank you for watching.